I just flew across the country to give one of you $10,000, but there's a catch. You have to prove you completed one of the 10 challenges in this video. Watch the whole thing, pick a challenge for July 1st, and post proof you did it. These aren't just to-do lists, they're epic adventures, new skills, and wild memories. The most creative and inspiring proof wins the cash. So pay attention, your next big idea, and $10,000 is just minutes away. Ready to change your life? Let's get into it. Oh, first up, goals, but not the boring kind. We're making goal setting a game. I challenged my friend Chris to solve a Rubik's Cube in under a minute by July's end. If he does, he gets a new car. That's the energy you need. Think big, think fun. What's something you've always wanted to do? Learn guitar, build a Lego castle, make it specific, measurable, and exciting. For this challenge, come up with 3 wild goals for July. 1 for your health, 1 for your brain, and 1 just for fun. My health goal, 100 push-ups a day. Brain, read 3 books. Fun, build the world's largest house of cards. Write your 3 goals down, don't overthink it. The more ambitious, the better. When you set a goal that feels almost impossible, achieving it is the best feeling in the world. This is your chance to make July unforgettable. Document your goals. Take a picture, make a video, get creative. Show us your excitement and commitment. This is your personal quest for the month. Don't just watch, join in. Make this your most productive, exciting month yet. Write down those 3 epic goals. Challenge number 1 starts now. Let's see what you've got. Challenge 2. Plan a real-life adventure. No more sitting around all summer. Get your heart pumping and make a memory. I sent my friend Chandler on a treasure hunt. He got lost, got muddy, but had an epic story to tell. That's what this is about. Creating experiences, not just consuming content. You don't need a lot of money. Visit a new park, hike to a high point, or camp in your backyard. The goal? Break your routine and do something new. Plan your adventure. Get friends involved. Pick a spot, figure out your route. Show us your plan. The map, the group chat, packing your bag. Then capture the adventure itself. Photos, videos, the fun and the fails. These are the moments you'll remember, not the days spent scrolling. Find a green space, a lake, or a weird town. Just go. Don't wait for someday. It's July. The adventure is out there. Be the main character in your own movie. Document the journey for your chance at $10,000. Make this summer legendary. Go find your adventure. The world is waiting. This is your story. Start it now. Challenge 2, accepted. Oh, challenge 3, learn a new, ridiculously awesome skill. Not something boring, something cool or hilariously useless. I learned to throw playing cards like a ninja. Was it practical? No. Was it awesome? Absolutely. Your challenge? Pick a skill you've never tried. Cook a fancy meal, do a kickflip, juggle, learn a magic trick. Start as a total beginner. The struggle is the fun part. Document your journey. First attempts, failures, frustration, and finally the breakthrough. Show us the before and after. What's something you've always wanted to do? Now's your chance. Dedicate a little time each day in July. By the end, you'll have a new party trick or talent. The crazier, the better. Lockpicking, calligraphy, beatboxing, you name it. Gather your supplies and start July 1st. This isn't about being a world champ. It's about the fun of learning. Show us your progress, not just the result. The journey is what matters. Surprise yourself with what you can do. Make your July unforgettable. Choose your skill and get started. Document everything for your shot at $10,000. Go learn something awesome. And next up, refresh your space. A messy room equals a messy mind. A clean, organized space boosts creativity and productivity. We gave my friend Carl's room a total makeover. He felt like a new person. You don't need a pro team. You can make a massive change yourself for almost nothing. Your challenge: transform one room in your house. Deep clean, declutter, and organize. Be ruthless. If you haven't used it in a year, donate or toss it. Wipe down every surface, organize drawers, make your bed. Rearrange furniture to make the space feel new. You don't have to buy anything. Just work with what you have. For the contest, show us a dramatic before and after. Film your room before, time-lapse the cleaning, and reveal the transformation. Show the effort. Piles of stuff, scrubbing, organizing. This is about taking control of your environment. Your room should inspire you, not stress you out. Start with one corner, one drawer. Momentum will carry you. By the end, you'll feel accomplished and energized. Let's see those transformations. Make your space your sanctuary. Oh, this challenge might be the most important. Reconnect with your friends. Not just a meme or a real connection. I surprised a friend I hadn't seen in a year. The day we spent together was priceless. Your challenge? Reach out to 3 friends you haven't talked to in a while. Make plans to see them or have a real video call. Have a meaningful conversation. Ask how they're really doing, share what's new, reminisce. Friendships drift apart if you don't make the effort. For the contest, show us screenshot your message, blur private info, film your reunion, or capture a fun moment together. It doesn't have to be a grand gesture. Pizza and a movie, a walk, or a group call works. The activity isn't as important as the intention. Think of 3 people you miss. Bridge that gap this July. Send the text, make the call, plan the hangout. It'll make their day, and yours. Strong friendships are key to happiness. Let's go strengthen ours. Document your reconnection for your chance at $10,000. Challenge accepted? Ready to test your discipline? Challenge 6 a 31-day streak. Build a new habit by doing something every day in July. No excuses. My friends and I each picked a challenge. 100 push-ups, Rubik's Cube, daily meditation. The first days are easy, then it gets tough. That's when you grow. Consistency beats intensity. Pick one positive habit. Fitness, creativity, wellness, whatever. Make it simple enough for your worst day, but meaningful enough to matter. Don't burn out, just don't break the chain. Mark your calendar every day you succeed. For the contest, document your journey. Daily videos, photos, or a montage. Prove you did it every single day. This is the hardest challenge, but the most rewarding. Imagine looking back at 31 X's on your calendar. You'll feel unstoppable. You'll build self-trust and maybe a lifelong habit. Decide your gauntlet now, write it down, and tell a friend to keep you accountable. This is you versus you. The journey starts July 1st. Don't miss a day. Let's see who conquers the gauntlet. For the final challenge, let's look back before we level up. The year's half over. Time to reflect and celebrate your progress. I made a best of the year so far highlight reel with my team. It was motivating to see our wins. Your challenge, spend an hour reflecting on your year so far. Journal, scroll through your photos, check your calendar, write down every win, big or small. Passed a tough exam, tried something new, made a friend, write it down. We're often our own worst critics. This is about self-appreciation. Acknowledge your progress to build confidence for the next 6 months. For the contest, share one of your biggest wins. Make a video, post a photo, tell your story, inspire others and celebrate yourself. This isn't just about patting yourself on the back, it's about learning. What worked? What didn't? What lessons can you use going forward? Before you rush into July, honor the journey that got you here. Celebrate your progress and use that momentum to crush the rest of the year. You've made it this far. Now level up. Oh, that's it. 7 epic challenges to make July your best month ever. I'm giving $10,000 to one of you who completes a challenge and posts proof with #HassanJulyChallenge. The more creative and inspiring your entry, the better your chance to win. Deadline is the end of July. Make it count. If you're excited, smash that like button, subscribe and comment which challenge you'll try. I can't wait to see your entries. Good luck. Go make this your best month ever.